Farming is the backbone of America. There's many trickle-down effects from farming that a lot of people rely on the farmer, and sometimes they don't really realize it. My name is Norman Thomas. I'm president of Thomas Produce. Thomas Family Farm started in upstate New York in 1910, and then we came to Florida in 1959. Over this period of more than 100 years, we've been feeding the American people, and we're really proud of that fact. It's our legacy as a fifth generation of American farmers. Farming in Florida, you have to face a lot of challenges. You could have a hurricane, a hailstorm, and a drought in the same growing season. We grow cucumbers and peppers and squash and green beans, but we'll grow anything that the American public wants. My favorite thing about being a farmer is just seeing the seeds emerging from the soil, and every seed I put in the ground is going to end up on somebody's plate. As Florida farmers here, we want to be good stewards of the land. Sustainable practices are very important to us as a family business. We use BioSafe products as part of our sustainability practices. We're using these BioSafe products to clean our crops, to keep our water safe. We use OxiDate in the field to remedy any possible problems we could have with pathogens in water, in the field, or on the crop. And then when we come to the packing facility, we use SaniDate, and we've been using that for years. And that ensures a safe product brought to the American consumer from farm to fork. With BioSafe celebrating their 20th anniversary, the Thomas Family Farm is very satisfied working with them, and we plan on working with them for many years going forward.
As the face of American agriculture continues to shift towards a more safe and sustainable practice, BioSafe Systems is proud to continue working with farmers to provide the American people safe and sustainable food from field to fork.